Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to fold this little heart. It has a stand, you can put it on the table and you can put a message or a name tag underneath like that. Just it stands on the table. See, here it has the stand behind it. And the method of folding this 3D heart is exactly the same as in my little origami cathedral. Because it was too small here, I made this model for demonstration, but it's a standalone model, so you can use this for something else. Now, here's how to fold it. For this model I used regular kami paper, just 15 by 15 centimeters. And if you want a red heart, just start with the red side up and fold an exact diagonal. It's important that these two edges align very well here. Now make a little pinch mark in the middle at about this this height. Okay, and then fold over one layer, maybe to this point. If you fold further down, the heart will be bigger. If you fold less, you have a smaller heart. So this will be a little bigger than this heart. You have a square here. Now turn the model over and fold one tip in a little angle here. Not just like this, but in a little angle. I will show you later why. And then make sure that you have a little triangle, a red triangle here. Fold through. And that's the look from the front. Now fold over this tip to the left and start exactly here in this crease and fold along this pinch mark you made. If you're not quite sure, don't make the crease too sharp. And you can make a sharp crease later. Now fold this tip onto the other one so that you get a symmetric result with these two triangles. Maybe don't crease too sharp, just check from the front if these two creases are symmetrical. And then make a sharp crease. Grab both tips and fold them over. Make sure the paper does not shift. Fold it over to the other side like this. And then fold this edge to the crease. Still no shifting of the paper. Fold right to that crease. Make a sharp crease. Open the model and fold one tip to the other side. Just reverse the crease and fold it around the other tip, like so. Now fold up the two tips and make a sharp crease. And now you can see why this angle is important, because now the tips exceed this crease a little bit, and we just fold over this little bit, like a mountain fold. We will use this as a lock later. Now we open the model here. We have the two tips. Make them align perfectly. Fold over and then tuck in these two little triangles in the pocket below. I know this is not a very strong lock, but it works. Like so. Hope you can see this. So there it is locked, and then press this together again, and now you have this stand. Now for the heart, just fold over this tip, not to the middle line, but a little bit above, maybe like so. Yes, you can see the shape of the heart already. Make a sharp crease. That's not exact. Make a sharp crease. And now we make two mountain folds along this white triangle. One, just fold to this middle point, and also on this side. Just bend the two sides over a little bit makes it easier to fold this 3D shape now. So now we want to make little pleats, little valley folds from this tip to maybe about here. Just hold the paper like this and fold this over. So the model is 3D now. And then lock it by folding over this little triangle. And this makes the shape round, more or less round. And it locks the paper here. And now make the same thing on the left side. Try to make a symmetric fold here, and also lock it by folding over this little triangle. And that's it. Bend the paper, make it round. No sharp creases. I recommend to wet fold it so that it will keep the shape, and maybe put 2 clamps here to hold this lock in place. Make it nice and round. You can put a name tag or a little message here underneath the heart, like this, and then pull out this stand. So it's easy, just pull and you get this shape from the bottom, and that makes the heart stand. Hope you like this new model and you like folding it, and see you next time. Bye bye.